Hi, greetings from Vajag1.com. Aries horoscope today. Today, the universe aligns to bring clarity to your work environment. Someone may have been working quietly against you, and your suspicions will find validation. However, this newfound knowledge is your strength. Use it wisely to navigate the situation strategically rather than confronting the person hastily. This approach will help you secure your position and eliminate potential threats effectively. Health and wellness today. Your day begins with a burst of internal energy, empowering you with calmness and focus. This serenity makes it an ideal day for business negotiations or significant decision-making. Even if you encounter rivals or challenging situations, your balanced mindset will ensure you remain unaffected and firmly in control. Love and relationship today. Exciting new connections may form today, offering the potential for deep, meaningful relationships. Love is in the air, and mutual affection will blossom. However, be prepared for challenges like family interference or unforeseen circumstances that may test your bond. These trials will ultimately strengthen your relationship if navigated with understanding and patience. Career and money today. An extraordinary career opportunity is on the horizon, bringing novelty and some level of risk. This could be the chance to shift your professional trajectory towards something more aligned with your passions. Embrace the bold move and take the leap. This is your time to redefine your career path and chase your dreams with confidence. Taurus horoscope today. Today is brimming with opportunities, but take your time to evaluate them thoroughly before diving in. Confidence and careful planning are your allies. Some doors will lead to pleasant surprises, while others might bring unexpected challenges. Remember, your actions, not destiny, will shape the outcome of this day. Share your thoughts and plans with friends, they may offer valuable perspectives. Health and wellness today. Recurring minor health issues have been a constant bother, and it's time to address them seriously. Over-the-counter solutions might only mask the symptoms temporarily, so consider seeking professional medical advice. Identifying and treating the root cause will ensure long-term relief and better overall health. Avoid self-medication to prevent further complications. Love and relationship today. Clarity in your relationship is on the horizon. Recent mixed signals from your partner will start making sense today, allowing you to better understand their emotions and intentions. This newfound insight will empower you to make thoughtful decisions about your relationship's future. Trust your instincts and maintain open communication for a harmonious connection. Career and money today. A long-considered career shift may finally present itself as a viable option today. If a new opportunity catches your attention, seize the moment and apply. Your confidence and expertise will make interviews a breeze, so don't hesitate. While traveling, especially on public transport, stay vigilant with your belongings to avoid unnecessary losses. Gemini horoscope today. Your indomitable spirit shines brightly today, and you refuse to be confined by any limitations. Let your positivity radiate by spreading love and happiness around you. It will come back in abundance. Break away from the monotony of your workaholic routine by planning a short trip with your colleagues. This colorful change will rejuvenate your spirit and strengthen workplace bonds. Health and wellness today. Focus on staying active today. Your body may soon face a demanding task, so prepare by building your stamina. Include moderate physical exercise in your routine, and practice deep breathing exercises to manage stress effectively. Overindulgence in food can lead to stomach issues, so maintain a balanced diet to stay healthy and energized. Love and relationship today. Contentment is key in relationships. Instead of seeking perfection, appreciate what you have and focus on nurturing your current bond. Desires are endless, but a stable relationship will help you direct your energy toward building a brighter future. Avoid unnecessary conflicts, practice compassion, and consider meditation to maintain emotional harmony. Career and money today. Financially, it's a day to prioritize caution and prudence. Opt for smaller but secure gains rather than chasing risky ventures. For those involved in trade or stocks, hold off on significant investments. Trust your instincts and make decisions guided by your inner voice. Small steps today will pave the way for bigger opportunities in the future. Cancer horoscope today. Today is about being honest with yourself and prioritizing your wishes over external expectations. Stop sacrificing your desires for the sake of others. This is your moment to focus on what truly matters to you. If you feel overwhelmed or confused about where to start, take a step back and prioritize the tasks or decisions at hand. Clarity will follow once you set your intentions. Health and wellness today. A significant phase of recovery begins today. If you've been struggling with chronic health concerns, you may finally discover long-term solutions. Improvements in your overall health are on the horizon, but this requires commitment. Pay special attention to your diet and adopt healthier habits to speed up the recovery process. Love and relationship today. Your romantic relationship may experience some complications, possibly due to the involvement of a younger sibling from either side. However, this doesn't spell trouble. Instead, it's an opportunity to uncover a new and intriguing aspect of your partner's personality. This newfound understanding will deepen your connection and add layers to your bond. Career and money today. Your emotional sensitivity may impact your work today, making it harder to maintain focus. Embrace this as a temporary phase and channel your empathy toward building stronger relationships with colleagues. On the financial front, consider exploring real estate opportunities for investment. Use your free time to evaluate properties that align with your goals for future growth. Leo horoscope today. Prepare for some unexpected good news today. Whether it's in your career or personal life, it's bound to bring financial benefits and pave the way for future gains of a similar kind. Your positive energy will be contagious, lifting the spirits of everyone around you. Use this opportunity to cherish moments with your friends and family, spreading optimism and happiness. Health and wellness today. Today may feel a bit overwhelming as you face conflicting opinions and multiple opportunities pulling you in different directions. The key is to follow your heart rather than overanalyzing or trying to satisfy everyone. Trust your instincts, they will guide you toward the best outcome, even if it doesn't seem clear immediately. Love and relationship today. This is the perfect day to mend any recent issues in your relationship. Take the initiative, set aside your pride, and address the concerns directly. Your partner will be receptive and open to your suggestions, making this an ideal moment to strengthen your bond and move forward together. Career and money today. You may need to juggle multiple roles today, but don't hesitate to call in favors from friends. They can provide valuable support. For students, good news may come in the form of a diploma or degree from a prestigious institution, opening doors to lucrative career opportunities. Focus on leveraging this success for your future growth. Virgo horoscope today. Today, your playful and dramatic mood will draw you toward all things beautiful. Be mindful, though, this aesthetic pursuit might lead to unplanned expenditures. You could indulge in some beauty treatments or make spontaneous purchases. Your jovial attitude will uplift everyone around you, spreading positivity at work and in social settings. Embrace the joy but keep an eye on your wallet. Health and wellness today. Take extra precautions with your health and that of your loved ones, particularly children. Minor health concerns may suddenly demand attention, so it's wise to adopt preventive measures early on. Monitor your diet carefully, as certain foods may negatively affect your mood and energy levels later in the day. Love and relationship today. Prepare to be pleasantly surprised by a thoughtful gesture from your partner. It might be a departure from your usual routine, a lively family gathering instead of an intimate dinner, or vice versa. If you're single, this moment could help you view a potential partner in a new light, allowing you to make meaningful decisions about the future. Career and money today. You may feel overwhelmed by multiple tasks vying for your attention. Take a deep breath, prioritize, and tackle one thing at a time. An old friend might reach out, possibly with an intriguing opportunity. Carefully visualize the potential outcomes before making a decision, and act only if it aligns with your long-term goals. Libra horoscope today. An elderly figure in your life may provide profound wisdom, sparking thoughtful reflection. Your natural planning and prioritizing abilities will shine, guiding you towards stability. Stay patient and calm, even amidst any unexpected visits or minor disruptions. Take care of your health and carve out moments for relaxation. A significant financial arrangement is on the horizon, promising potential windfall gains. Health and wellness today. Today is the day to explore alternative treatments for persistent health issues. After trying various remedies with little success, you may finally find one that offers genuine relief. Keep an open mind and be willing to experiment. You might just discover a long-lasting solution that works wonders for your well-being. Love and relationship today. Clarity is on its way in your relationship. Concerns about your partner and the dynamics of your bond will start to resolve as previously puzzling behaviors and traits come to light. This newfound understanding will empower you to make logical decisions regarding your emotional investment and the boundaries you need to maintain harmony. Career and money today. Your confidence and positivity are your strongest assets today, especially in professional matters. It's an excellent time to ace interviews or close deals with clients, bringing favorable results. Be prepared for minor hiccups later in the day. Postpone recreational activities to focus on resolving these. Seek assistance from a colleague if needed to keep things on track. Scorpio horoscope today. The day is buzzing with activity, pulling your attention in different directions. Resist getting sidetracked by trivial matters and focus on what truly matters. When you channel your energy into the right areas, you unlock the potential for significant gains. Don't hesitate, prioritize and act decisively before opportunities slip away. The key to your success lies in staying sharp and focused. Health and wellness today. Minor health issues may slow you down today. You could experience cold symptoms, headaches, or discomfort in your wrist or fingers. While these ailments might be inconvenient, don't let them dampen your spirit. Rest is essential. Take a break and allow your body to recover. Avoid cold beverages and give yourself the care you need to bounce back stronger tomorrow. Love and relationship today. When it comes to relationships, patience is your greatest virtue today. The universe has a plan, and the right person will enter your life when the time is right. Meanwhile, cherish your time with friends and associates. Someone special may already be in your circle, waiting for the perfect moment to shine. Stay hopeful and open to possibilities. Career and money today. Work challenges may leave you feeling out of control, but trust in your efforts and the recognition you've earned. Your bosses are aware of your sincerity and constraints, so stay honest and keep delivering your best. Consider teaming up with an international contact for promising opportunities. Financial growth is within reach if you take calculated steps toward collaboration. Sagittarius horoscope today. Today may stir up a whirlwind of emotions, Sagittarius. You might find yourself delving deep into your inner thoughts and sharing your true feelings. Although this may seem intimidating, it is a step toward emotional clarity and fulfillment. Additionally, someone close to you may be feeling vulnerable, and your empathetic response could make all the difference. Embrace this day as an opportunity for emotional growth and connection. Health and wellness today. Your focus may waver today due to lingering concerns that have been troubling you. Combat this demotivation by organizing your thoughts. Make it a habit to jot down completed tasks at the end of the day and plan your goals for the next. This practice will not only help you regain focus but also enhance your productivity and mental clarity. Love and relationship today. Courage takes center stage in your love life today. You may finally express your feelings to someone special, taking your relationship to the next level. The universe is aligning in your favor, encouraging you to let go of inhibitions and embrace the flow of your emotions. Bask in the freedom of being true to yourself, and let the stars guide your heart. Career and money today. Your disciplined focus and natural affinity for leadership are likely to pay off today. Patience is key as your hard work begins to yield rewards. Keep an open mind and avoid being overly opinionated at the workplace. Collaboration and adaptability will strengthen your relationships with colleagues, paving the way for greater success and harmony. Capricorn horoscope today. Today, you might find yourself feeling particularly stubborn, Capricorn, resisting advice from others and even your own better judgment. While it's natural to want to stick to your beliefs, remember that flexibility is key. Opening your heart and mind can help you navigate challenges effectively. Don't let a rigid stance hold you back. Embrace a more adaptable approach to find solutions. Health and wellness today. Health may take center stage today as a routine checkup or minor health scare grabs your attention. While the scare is likely to be a false alarm, take it as a wake-up call. Reassess your diet and lifestyle habits, incorporating healthier choices and routines. Early precautions taken now can prevent more serious issues in the future, so prioritize self-care. Love and relationship today. Work pressures might be creating distance between you and your partner. If the relationship matters to you, take active steps to rekindle the bond. Open communication and small gestures of care can go a long way in restoring the lost charm. On the other hand, if the connection feels forced or unimportant, it's time to reflect and focus your energy on what truly matters. Career and money today. Today is a great day to nurture workplace relationships. Encourage and support your subordinates, as their cooperation will be crucial in tackling challenging tasks. For those in leadership roles, exciting career opportunities may come knocking. These prospects promise significant future benefits, so keep an eye out and evaluate them carefully before making decisions. Aquarius horoscope today. Today, Aquarius, you may experience mood swings that leave you feeling unsettled. It might be hard to pinpoint exactly why you feel the way you do or how to get back on track. Your erratic behavior may confuse others, but remember that staying honest and true to yourself is the key to overcoming these emotional fluctuations. Keep a low profile today and focus on observing situations rather than engaging too deeply. The calmness will help you regain clarity and composure. Health and wellness today. Your immunity could be vulnerable today, making it essential to boost your defenses. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins will help keep infections at bay, especially as you may face unavoidable exposure to allergens. Stay hydrated and ensure your body is properly nourished to protect against any health challenges. Love and relationship today. In your relationship, be mindful of your partner's patience. They may have been putting in extra effort, even when you've been distant or cold. While it's okay to feel hurt, remember that forgiveness is crucial for healing. They truly regret any hurt caused, and this moment of vulnerability will bring you closer. Career and money today. Changes are afoot in your workplace, Aquarius. Though these shifts may initially seem daunting, they could lead to exciting new opportunities. It will take courage and a willingness to take risks, but trust in your abilities to navigate these challenges. Soon, you'll find yourself thriving and enjoying success in your career. Pisces horoscope today. Pisces, you've been impulsive in your decision-making recently, but today you'll realize the importance of planning. The lessons of the past will guide you towards a more organized and well-thought-out approach in all areas of life. From now on, your strategies will be more calculated, and with this new method, you will see the benefits of proper execution. It's never too late to begin planning for success. Health and wellness today. Minor but persistent health issues may cause stress today, Pisces. These health problems might nag at you throughout the day, so consider alternative therapies to help relieve the discomfort. Regularity in your approach will show positive results over time. Avoid junk food today, as it could add to your stress. Instead, focus on holistic healing methods, such as yoga and meditation, which can provide you with the calm and clarity you need. Love and relationship today. Your outlook on love is soft and compassionate, Pisces. However, today you may encounter situations or people that don't quite match your emotional needs. While romance may not blossom with these individuals, they could transform into cordial and supportive friends. Keep your heart open, but trust that true love will come when the time is right. Career and money today. Pisces, there is good news for research students and those preparing for competitive exams. You will outperform expectations, but timing will be key today. The opportunities that come your way must be seized quickly to ensure success, otherwise, they might slip away. Be bold and decisive to secure the next step in your career path. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe to get daily full horoscope updates.